we're going to check out and it's already 7:03 a.m. Ito po yung lahat ng gamit namin. Ayan.
Kailan ka?
7 pero medyo madilim pa. Ayan. Ito yung hotel namin. Dati, shuttle, no? Wala. Pagpunta namin dito, wala.
Kasi di pa nila nabok.
Wow, tinan nyo naman to. Wain ta.
Galingan ka po. Baka B2 is basement 2.
Basement 2. Rear door opening.
Mami, hindi ko napantay.
Elevator.
Ang hawak ba?
Walang Life Food Republic.
Nakakahiya. Sayang, sana nakakinto.
Ay. Kumusta ang biyahe?
Walang.
Maso madako gid dala mabagong ka.
Ha?
Madako gid dala mabagong ka.
Jacket. Tapos kasi, sana. Nakakahiya mga aminin. Kami na nga lang yung nakasali sa lakad ng mga Marist, pero
Bagbag.
nagpaiwan kami dito.
Arnig.
Nagpaiwan kami dito kasi hindi
Kaya ka.
na namin kayang sumabay pa umakyat. Tingnan niyo ang stairs.
Hindi lang yan. Bago pa kami nakapunta dito, ang layo-layo pa ng nilakad namin paakyat.
Super grabe. Parang, kaya sabi ko, Naiwan na lang kami dito, bahala na sila mag-akit doon. Tapos ang malaga dito rin sila mag-akit.
So, ito po yung Mari Stella High School. So, we're inside the premises of Marist. Ganito ang Marist. Marist sa Singapore. So, this is inside the canteen. Ang laki ng canteen nila, in fairness. Puti pa yung canteen nila ganito. Ito ang aming lunch.
Wala sa ating sushi. Saka...
Ito, lunch din. So ito pala kanila. Sarap naman yun.
Ang pangit.
May vending kasi doon. Vending kami. Musta ay kinalunong sa Cebu?
Ay, alhamdulillah. Okay mo man, no?
Okay mo? Indoor yung mga gym nila. Bakit merong balok?
Grabe, yan ang nilakad natin kanina. Ay, ito ba yun?
Library. We're inside the library. And pagod na sila. Pagod. Pagod. Hi! How old are you? Can you say hi? Hey. Hi! Hindi ko na naman alam kung saan kami papunta. Pero pagod na kami. And we're so tired. Oh no! Puro na lang akyat. Puro na lang baba. Nakakapagod na. Ay, pagod na kami. So, nag-iwala rin sa Coco sa mga kasama niya. Ayos ka lang? Napagod ka na? Mamamayan. Masak sa bus tour na mag-beat. Starbucks. Napagod na yung Coco. We are in Suntec Mall. Okay, so mag-CR po siya. So gagamitin namin yung nabili ko. Bidet. Portable bidet. So, tingnan nyo kung paano siya gamitin. Chargeable yan siya. Yan. Yan. Tapos lalagyan siya ng tubig. So, lalagyan lang siya ng tubig. Yung CR kasi nila dito walang bidet. Nasa Suntec Mall kami ngayon. So, since wala akong dalang pantalon, bumili ako kahapon sa Cloud9. Ewan ko kung anong mall yun. So, bumili na ako ng palda. Hindi ako na-try. Kanya. Siya kapasa na lang. Sige. Basa ka. Basa ka. Ah, sige. Sige ko na pasok mo. Ayan. Tapos, pag ganito.
Ikaw ulit ako. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Paano?
1, 2, 3.
Yan. So, pwede na siyang tumae. Anywhere, everywhere.
1, 2,
Basta na
Okay.
kukunin na siya doon.
Okay. Ito may iba't ibang ano.
Enjoy greater savings with the new
ATM pero 7.35.
Or, this one na, ano pang gold? Gold ka na lang. Gold na lang, kabasi mas mas matindi. Kinakain niya. Nasa massage chair kami. Okay, baba na ka kumba. How's the feeling? Tigasaw.
So nice, so good.
This is much better. It's almost complete. Please pay again. If you want to continue, you
And together with us is our captain. His name is Daniel. Say hi to Daniel on this 30th camera. Yeah? He has his eyes on everybody, but he has his eyes on the road first. Okay, now before I tell you what the tour is all about, where we are going, what we are doing on this tour, just a few basics the area. So it's also quite interesting to know that 60 over years ago, right back in the 1960s, there was absolutely nothing here. Architect Moshe Safiya, he's a world-renowned architect. He was inspired by cruise ships. So he thought, you know what, the next thing I want to design, it has to look like a ship. And it has to have a swimming pool. So So let's
We
go.
are at Marina Bay Barrage. Ada, ipakatulog din si Coco. Nalugat. Ay, may picnic pala dito. Oh, kagat. You get to see a lot of views. Ganda. Tsaka picture to. Maganda po mag-picnic dito, no? Maraming nagpipiknik dito.
Pero maayos.
That's not that many we'll go back to. Currently, the total vehicle population of Singapore is around 1 million. Right? Talking about cars, buses, trucks, motorcycles, everything, right? And out of that 1 million, only 150,000 of them. Do not be skeptical, yeah, or doubtful. Is it safe to eat? Definitely, yeah, because number one, all of them are
Drop off here at the Lau Pasat. This is our bus tour. Para mauna tayo.
Okay, come all gather first. All gather first. Wait for the satay. Alright guys, all come here. Stay around here. Stay around. Come. Don't be shy. Just group together now. Wait for the satay to come to you, okay? Just group here, yeah? Okay, stay around here. Wait for the satay to come. Remember, each person 2 sticks. Don't take 1 stick.
Each person
2 sticks, okay? Okay, ask your neighbor to come together first, yeah? After that, after you taste the satay, then you go and buy it. Okay, then you say what time be here?
Let's try. Try. Wait. Wait, siguro. Let's try.
Yeah, we can do 2 queues here. And by the way, ladies, this is halal, yeah?
This is halal.
Thank you.
Okay, feel free, yeah?
Get to already.
So remember, 2 sticks each. And this food sampling is only for those of you from my group. If you have no idea who I am, not from my group.
Dito ka. Is it okay?
Over here, right? Yeah, all halal. The seafood stall are mostly halal as well. Where are you all from, by the way?
Philippines.
The Philippines. From the south? No?
Yeah.
Ha? Kumatan?
Miring ya. Big bus that side.
Here.
Bang, maju banyak. Aku nak set belakangnya. Mungkin side. This is minute. Allah. Jalan terus kan. Guys,
Sorry, go ahead.
Sorry? 64.
Di ka muna. Da ka muna. Yeah, tuh. Papa.
Pukul apa dia?
Kayo? Ito?
Yeah.
Thank you. Parang kita. Entah, let's go.
Over there also okay. Exactly we are. The drink over here, miss.
Thank you.
The drink behind you,
Yeah, okay.
My good chow.
Dati gusto ko naman.
activity at Gardens by the Bay. Now, I need a favor from all of you, right? Football fields, huge. But the good news is, for tonight, we are not going to discover every nook and crannies. We're just going to cover one small area, right?
Dito na. Dapat siya. Wow, oily.
Pull up at this bus stop right here. Purapa City Center is in front. Those of you who are going to Bliss, Magpipaiwan, you walk backwards.
We're finally at Changi Airport Terminal 3, but we still have to go to Terminal 1. Puro plants yan. So we're going to get our baggage. We store our baggage here kaninang umaga. So we're finally getting it.
Ako na.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lagay mo ito yung sulit mo.
Kaya mo? Okay, let's go. Papa has been very, very helpful today. Uy, ate, ano nangyari sa'yo? Automatic. So we're already inside the gate. Ay, Coco. Biglang masaya.
I found it. Hindi siya nawala.
Ang dali ko.